A lot of Dashers are upset right now because DoorDash has just started putting out these new contract violations for something that isn't really in Dashers' control, and it's really just for them doing their job. So with DoorDash, if you guys do DoorDash at night, especially, sometimes early in the morning, but usually this is at night when a store is closed, typical procedure for, marking the store as closed is, going through the different steps on the app. It's changed over the years. Sometimes you'd have to contact support, other times you just have to submit a picture of their hours or just proof that it's closed. And that used to be good enough, and you even used to be able to receive some pay from, marking the store as closed since you went to the store. You get half pay. Even sometimes people who did DoorDash late at night, they would actually kind of use this as a glitch because sometimes the DoorDash app wouldn't catch up to restaurants being closed, and they might just keep accepting an order at the same restaurant even though it's closed and get half pay. Now this Dasher got a contract violation for marking the store as closed, even though another Dasher supposedly picked up an order after the store was marked closed by this Dasher. Now the thing that I don't like about this is that if you guys, do DoorDash late at night or through the middle of the night, sometimes fast food places will close for just a small amount of time just to change over their menu, or just a small amount of time because, whatever issue they may have, and they don't inform DoorDash of that. So it's happened several times to me actually where I'll be doing DoorDash late at night, kind of, 12, 1, 2 a.m. and they'll put a sign up on the door saying, oh, we're gonna reopen in an hour, or they'll put a time on the door that they're gonna open, but they don't notify DoorDash of that. So my problem with this is that with contract violations, you can't really contact support. Like, you can dispute them and add a little note. From what I've seen, they don't really get removed, or at least that quickly. And I don't know if these contract violations are any different, but I think Dashers are just really frustrated because DoorDash keeps adding new ways to get contract violations or getting close to deactivated, adding all these different standards, when really it's just a food delivery app. Like, you're just accepting an order and delivering it, and you're getting paid, what you get paid, sometimes as low as $2. I do understand a little bit why DoorDash wanted to do something to enforce people probably overusing saying a store is closed, because it doesn't affect your ratings, your cancellation rate, or anything like that. But at the same time, I feel like a contract violation is a little bit much, and for the reasoning being just that someone else picked up an order after. Because there's a huge lack of communication between restaurants and hours and, DoorDash. Because there are plenty of times as well that restaurants will be closed and just for the whole day, and I'll show up and, DoorDash thinks they're open. I've not gotten a contract violation for this. However, I have gotten a contract violation for, being late, or a contract violation for someone claiming that I didn't deliver their order. But I will say that this one probably would irritate me a decent amount. I feel like just showing proof like they used to, where you just have to take a picture of the store hours or just proof that it's closed, is enough. Because it very well could have been closed and then they reopened and someone else picked up an order. Like I said, this is definitely something new that is rolled out for DoorDash and for Dashers. So I'm definitely curious if any of you have gotten these contract violations, and what your thoughts are on getting these contract violations for this reason. Like I said, I'm not really too sure that it was necessary, but it is definitely something that could get people deactivated pretty quickly, because if you do get several contract violations close together, you're at risk for deactivation. Comment down below what you think, if you've had this contract violation, if it was easy to dispute. I guess just be extra careful when you mark a store as closed, that you have some sort of proof that it was closed, just to help your case a little bit. But it's definitely not something that as Dashers we should have to worry about. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.